Hello again. Now, this video will feed you guys roundhouse kick. Roundhouse kick. There's different sections that you guys can apply roundhouse kick, but today we're going to just go for the midsection roundhouse kick. And there's a couple movement and strength work that I want you to do, and then we'll apply extra roundhouse kick. So with the roundhouse kick, I just want you to do this body turnings, which is you stand like this. Follow me from here, okay? Right. This is what I want you to do. And keep your arms in. Do not spreading your arms out. You just want to turn it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Let's try other side. Same thing here. 1. Do not lift your back foot up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this should be the beginning of your movement for the roundhouse kick. Instead of you taking your foot off, I want you to turn your body much as you can, and then you want to take your foot up. So next move is pivoting. Pivoting your foot is the hardest part. Here's the very important key for this pivot. When you guys having your kicking stance, if you look at me from here, where my weight's at, if you see my weights, my weight's at the center. When you feel the bottom of your foot, I'm sure you guys felt more your front heel side and back toe side. Right here, like this. Because your weight is center, and you want it to pivot with the ball of your foot, not with your heel, right? Like this. You want to pivot like this. It's literally impossible if you're keeping your weights backside, right? So when you turn your body, for the roundhouse, when you turn your body, I want you to bend your front knee a little bit like this. Okay, you're going to sink down a little bit, but when you do that, where are you going to feel more? You're going to feel more your toe side. And from here, what you got to do, take your foot off chamber for roundhouse kick, which is this, okay? So what I want you to do, I want you to just repeat this movement without kicking. And we'll do 5 times, okay? So from here, take a look. Ready? 1. Put it down. 2. You got to focus on this base foot as a pivoting, okay? 3. 4. Good. One more. 5. There you go. Now we'll do the other side. Ready? Remember shifting forwards like this. Okay? 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Good. So next to work, you gotta have knee up position, which if you did front kick practice before this video, you probably know what I'm gonna ask you to do, which is you hold your foot and knee up this way, and we're gonna lift it up. Just like this. We'll do 10 times without putting it down. Arm should be near you. Arm shouldn't go down like this, okay? So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Other side, same thing. Look at foot. You don't want to have your foot like this and lifting your knee up. You want to have pivot position, not completely pivot, a little bit less, I would say 45. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. That's good. Now we got to do a couple extension moves, which we'll do it on the floor. So you got to go down on the floor and have your elbows on the ground. Make sure your both knees bent. Upper side knee and foot pedal from the floor, and you want it to extend it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. Now I'm going to show you from the front side. So you go down this way, straight body lines. Only thing is your knee, little bit front, and upper side leg and foot up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. All right. So that was extension muscle for you to do roundhouse kick at the end. So we did how to turn, how to chamber, how to pivot, how to extend. Now, positioning it just like a front kick we talked about. This is how far you open as having your kicking stance. When you're done kicking, you want to have exact same length of the open stance, which meaning is you got to control it. So remember recoil we did with front kick. We want to do same thing with roundhouse kick. So for this one though, we don't want to do pivot and kick. I want you to just lift, and kicking round with a good recoil and place it down, which is this way. Okay? So this is how we want to repeat, okay? I'm going to do right side, I'm going to do left side, okay? 5 times. 1, recoil, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side, same thing here. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now we want to try extra roundhouse kick. We want to do 5 times, but again, if you guys want to do more than 5, you could pause the video, do more than 5, or you could just finish the work and then do it again, a couple more times, maybe 3 more sets, 5 more sets. That's totally fine, okay? Let's go ahead and try. From here, attention. Kicking stance, roundhouse kick, just about your mid-high, midsection. Ready? Hana. Okay, good. Reset. 2. Good. Good recoiling, guys. Set. Good. Net. One more. That's it. Good. Switch your foot. Before we do other side, because your body is turning, doesn't mean your arms and everything has to go around like this. Okay? You don't want to go around like that, okay? If you do that, you make kicking hard, but you're going to be out of control. So what you got to do as you're kicking, the upper side arm has to come to where the kicking side hip. So from here, let's go ahead and try. Take a look at that part when you do this time. Ready? Hana. You see where I bring my arms? Ready? 3. Good. Set. 2 more time. Net. And 1 more. Pass up. Good. So remember, pivot is very important, and starting off with your body core work, and then pivot properly, chamber up high enough, and good extension. Control your upper side arm to not overturning. Okay? Those are the most important part for the roundhouse kick. Hope this helped you guys. Please practice as many times as you can. Very well, guys. I'll see you guys soon.